Morning student, today we are going to start our new chapter 5 of Moral Science. It's VR1. In this chapter, we will know about an incident from Gandhiji life. And also we will know how Gandhiji taught a simple lesson in unity with the help of playing cards. Children, before start this chapter, I want to tell you about Gandhiji. Who is Gandhiji? So, all of you listen carefully. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in the city of Porbandar, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi's father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Putli Bai. Gandhiji was married at the age of 15. His wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. Gandhiji studied from the University of London to become a barrister. Gandhiji fought hard for civil rights in South Africa. Gandhiji was the founder of the Indian Congress in the Natal region of South Africa. Okay children, this is about the Gandhiji. Now let us start the chapter. There was a time when the English ruled over India. The people longed to be free. Wherever Mahatma Gandhi went, people came in large number to see him. Once Gandhiji traveled by train to Hyderabad, a huge crowd gathered at the railway station. Gandhiji greeted everyone with Namaste. Gandhiji always used the opportunity to tell the people to be united and fight for freedom. At the railway station, when he saw the crowd, Gandhiji asked, "Does anyone have a pack of playing cards?" People wondered why Gandhiji was asking for playing cards. They said to each other, "Okay, is he going to play cards?" They are discussing with each other that why Gandhiji is asking for playing card. Then someone in the crowd gave a set of playing card to Gandhiji. He took out a card from the pack and asked, "What is this?" A man replied, "That's a jack." Then Gandhiji told the man, "We are all jacks. We all are slaves because we take orders from the English." Here, meaning of slaves means servant. Okay? And jacks and slaves both are same. Then Gandhiji lifted up another card and said, "This is a queen. The queen rules over jacks or slaves." Again, Gandhiji pulled out another card from the pack and showed it to the people. And he said, "This is a king. He is very powerful. Those who play cards know his importance. With this card, you can win over those who have jack and queen. People can win the game, those who have jack and queen." Again, Gandhiji drew out an ass from the pack and held it up. He explained, "This card is the most powerful one. Whoever has an ass can defeat the person with a jack, a queen, or even a king." Everyone listened as Gandhiji continued. Ikka stands for unity. Here S means Ikka. Ikka stands for unity. If all Indians unite, then together we can win over Jack, who stands for slavery. If all Indians unite, then together we can win over Jack, who stands for slavery. We can win over Queen and King, who represent the British rule. Who represent the British rule? Queen and King. Only if we are united can we get independence from the English. People understood what Gandhiji was trying to say. Today, We are a free country because long back people had united to fight for freedom. Children, Gandhiji taught a simple lesson in unity with the help of playing cards. He encouraged the people who India to join hands and fight for common cause. Indians succeeded because they were united in their struggle for freedom. So, children, India is your country. You must respect people from different parts of India. As your countryman, if there's any problem in the country, everyone should unite to solve it. Children, hope you understood this chapter. We are one means unity, and unity means being one. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.